Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me, in relation to a video that I made about beware of swapping turbos that sound an ambulance or a siren. Someone has written that the engine of his car has a turbo and that it sounds like a police or ambulance siren, and he has changed the turbo solenoid valve and the turbo actuator, but it continues to make the same noise when he unplugged the vacuum hose from the turbo actuator. It no longer makes that noise. He has realized that, logically, the turbo does not work either, and he wants to know if the car engine can be damaged by having the turbo disconnected. Let's see. The ambulance sound is made by the turbine. The turbine shaft that is poorly balanced has nothing to do with the solenoid valve or the turbo actuator, and of course, by removing the vacuum tube from the turbo actuator, it has left the engine without a turbo, and turbo diesel engines are designed to work with a turbo. We have also had cases of people in the workshop who had one of these parts bad, or the actuator or the solenoid valve, and they have disconnected it. They have been like this for a time, and in the end, they have damaged the engine, because these engines, as I said, are designed to work with their turbo. They end up being forced, they end up revving many times. For example, to go up a mountain, they are forced, even for overtaking, and as I said, they are designed to work with the turbo, and if you deprive them of the turbo, in the end, the engines end up being damaged. And I can tell you, we have seen this in the workshop, and in the end, for not fixing the turbo, sometimes, for not changing a solenoid valve or an actuator, in the end the breakdown has been more expensive, because they have damaged the engine. Be careful with these things. Well, here is this short video. Yes, it has been useful to you, so do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.